Hi guys, the Boring Engineer here, back with another lock picking video. Today I've got the Angal US3 high security locks, dealer only, restricted keyway. Gotta be good, right? I mean, look at that packaging, premium quality stuff. So let's see what we actually got here. Here's what was in the box. Pretty badly finished. I mean, this is like, I haven't really messed with this at all. This was the finish it came with. It looks terrible. Dimple lock, pin and pin. So we'll see how high security this thing is. Get her up in our vise and adjust our camera angle. I think that should work. Okay, I'll try this wrench in between. Yeah, that'll work great. Keep things out of the way, and just because this is what I usually start with, I'm going to start with this flat black flag. See where we can get with it. So, alright, nothing on the outside of 1. Nothing on 2. Maybe a click on 3. It's pretty soft, I don't know. Back to 2. I felt it stiffen up a little bit. I think it did. Okay, let's just keep going here. Four now. Sorry, let me get a better picture here. Click on 4. Way back to 5. Come here, 5. I don't know if I got anything on him. Let's pull back up to the front here. Little click on 1. Outside of 2 seems set. 3 seems set. 4 seems set. As does 5. I might overset something. Let's reset that real quick. Try one more here. Okay, nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Little click on 3. Click on 4. Little click on 5. Back up to the front. Click on 2. One already set, or I don't think he is. Oh, maybe. Okay, let's go for inners. Alright, nothing on 1 or 2 on inner. Click on 3. 4, big false set now. Just touched 5 at the back and it dropped into a big set. So what else we got? Come on. I bet it's just one of these inners. It just needs a little touch. Not one. Where are you? 3. Oh. Wondering if my pick isn't quite long enough, but we'll see here. Here we go. That was, I think, 4 I touched. So, got an open. Let's tear this guy apart real quick. Took a little longer than I was kind of expecting, but I don't know. Also, the first time I picked that, so who knows what we'll find. I didn't feel any security pins, so I'm a little skeptical of their high security claims. I think it is a simple 5-pin pin-in-pin multi-lock knockoff. Okay, don't need that anymore. I've got the key so I can relock. And let's grab, I'll just do this the quick way. Actually, do this. Alright, off the tailpiece comes. And dump him. Where's his spring? Yeah, he's got a spring. Doesn't want to come out. It's too big. Well, I guess his spring will live in there. Keys. This thing is all greasy. What a gross lock. Alright. Alright, so far, multi-lock clone indeed. Let's see. Cheap multi-lock clone, I should say. Oops. Okay, so that's it for key pins. No modifications to the core at all. Let's organize this real quick before we dump out the rest. So it looks like everything on the bottom is just plain, which is kind of what I expected, and I'm expecting that the same on the top here. Very much almost identical to Mul-T-Lock, except Mul-T-Lock always has security pins. So on the top, oh, there are security. It just is really badly manufactured to the point where I didn't even notice. Interesting. Oh, that's not Not a great sign. What's the point of anti-picking when someone can pick it and not even notice? So that, come on, springs. Gosh, I'm gonna have to fish all these out, aren't I? Come on. Spring went flying. They're all just going to be the same, but I want to get them out here. Come here. So you guys can see. Alright, there we go. So, yeah, and as you'd expect, obviously, nice, clean, quote-unquote, core. Are these captured? Yeah, so they have, these are captured inner pins, just like on a Mul-T-Lock, where they've pressed those ends so that overlift attacks don't work on them, but I thought these were all, come on, focus. I thought these were all plain, but they are all serrated. Boy, did it not feel like it though. So let's take a quick look at this. So there it is, the Angal high security lock. Not very high security if you ask me. And yeah, that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.